Hello students and parents, this is Anubhav SInhal, Director Universal Tutorials. So I am up with a video message today to talk about UT's lecture and test schedule for the month of July. Well, we've entered the month of July, and as every year happens, in the month of July, schools start with their unit tests. So during the month of July, we at UT have announced or accommodated school unit tests as per school's unit test schedule. Various batches will not be functioning from 1 to 2 weeks. They will be off. So now this schedule may differ from branch, batch, board. So there could be 10 CBSE at Kharghar may go off during 1 week and may function another week, and 10 CBSE Nerul may have another, depending upon individual school schedules. So all of this, our academic team have updated in your website timetable. My request is to please check your timetable and know when is UT not functioning. So we collected data from you. We came to know some schools are operating exams. So we've tried to do as much as possible. We've tried to adjust to maximum school students. There could be cases where we could not adjust to your school schedule. Do not worry. We have a full-fledged extra lecture support. So please log on and utilize the extra lecture support wherever, if during your exam schedule, UT classes are going on and you're not, for some reason, not able to attend, please request for extra lectures and my extra lecture team will help and assist you for that. If you have any questions, please feel free to talk to Mrs. Harsha, our academic coordinator. You can write an email to us and we will be happy to accommodate whatever requests you have. So make sure that you check your website schedule and accordingly follow it. Exams also on certain Sundays may be called off for this exam schedule. But what is the best thing to look? Best thing to look is your website timetable. That is your individualized timetable. उसमें आपको सही information आएगी. Please do not refer to मेरे friend का उस दिन बंद है, हमारा आज इस दिन बंद है क्या? No, do not refer to it like that. Please follow the website timetable. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Anubhav SInhal from Universal Tutorials.